Welcome to Hampden Park as we at Clyde 1 and Super Scoreboard get behind a series of blood donation events kicking off at football grounds across the country. You've probably heard it on the show in recent days. We have been talking up the Scottish National Blood Transfusion Service and trying to get as many people involved as possible. Now, I must admit, it has been a long time since I gave blood. I was at school the last time I did it, I'm ashamed to say, so I've turned up today to try and do my bit. Like I say, this is fixture 1 on a series of blood donation events, and we're better to start than here, the National Stadium. A little bit quieter, you would imagine, than it will be in June next year. We do have upcoming events though at Firhill on the 9th of December, then Tynecastle on the 15th. And I should say, if you've got a big venue, it doesn't have to be quite this big, but if you've got a big venue, you can certainly get involved and try and help out in these socially distanced times. So if you've got a big venue and you want to put it forward to be used, just contact the guys at scotblood.co.uk. Now, this is me putting off the inevitable, so without further ado, let's go inside. So this is where the magic happens, and it really is a great cause. Every time you donate blood, you are improving or saving up to 3 lives. So it really is worth coming down here and checking it out. As you can see, everything's really safe, socially distanced. The staff are lovely, they've looked after me well, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.
Well, it's amazing to be here at Hampden today. It is the first of our football fixtures. We're really fortunate to be here, and it's really important because it's an opportunity for donors to come along and give blood and soak up some of the atmosphere of Hampden as well. We are looking for donors to come along and support us. We've got a couple of more sessions at Firhill and also at Tynecastle where they'll have opportunities to come and to give blood in football stadiums. We're particularly looking for people, if you know your blood type, who are O positive, O negative and A positive, but we're also looking for brand new donors as well. There's a few things in place. You will be triaged when you enter the session. You'll also be asked to wear a mask, apart from during your health screening and also during your donation on the bed as well. We have put social distancing in place, and that means if you are coming along to give blood, we ask you to come along alone or with a member of your household who also has an appointment. We also ask you to come exactly at your appointment time, or maybe just 5 minutes before as well.
And just like that, we're done and dusted. That was easy, it was safe, and it seems like an important thing to do, because I'm not sure if you're aware, but every time you donate blood, you save or improve up to 3 lives. So it really is vital that if possible, you come along to one of these sessions and try and do your bit. Just go to scotblood.co.uk, you can find out a bit more and register there as well. Even during these difficult times, it doesn't matter what tier of lockdown you're in, it is classed as an essential activity, but you do need to book in advance. So get on that website, come along and try and do your bit, and what's even better is you get a free Turnix tea cake at the end as well.